Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing some must-know tips for DIY toilet repairs in Calgary. Whether you're dealing with a clogged toilet, a leaking tank, or a running flush, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before you begin any DIY toilet repair, it's important to prioritize safety. Make sure to wear protective gloves and eyewear to avoid any potential injuries. Additionally, turn off the water supply to the toilet to prevent any water damage. The first step in toilet repair is identifying the issue. Is your toilet clogged? Is there water leaking from the tank? Or is the flush continuously running? Understanding the problem will help you find the right solution. If you have a clogged toilet, you can try using a plunger to remove the blockage. Make sure to use gentle yet firm pressure when plunging. If the clog persists, you may need to use a toilet auger or call a professional plumber. If you notice water leaking from the toilet tank, it's likely a problem with the flush valve or the fill valve. Turn off the water supply and check for any damaged or worn-out parts. Replacing these components will usually solve the issue. A continuously running flush can waste a significant amount of water. To fix this issue, check the flapper valve and the chain connecting it to the flush handle. Adjust or replace these parts as needed to ensure a proper seal. Congratulations! You now have some must-know tips for DIY toilet repairs in Calgary. Remember to always prioritize safety, identify the issue correctly, and use the right tools or seek professional help when needed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful DIY videos. Happy repairing!